Hi, this is Yealink.
This is Peter.
Today we want to introduce hot-selling items of Yealink IP phone. Model number is SIP-T46U, and we will unbox it right now. Peter, let's unbox it.
Okay, let's unbox it. This is qualified certificate, very useful. And this is a user manual. Here is the machine. It's very beautiful. Look at the front end, the back end. There's also some accessories. It's the brackets, the cables to connect it with earpiece. It's very nice.
Yes, and we have huge stock of it because it is very cost effective. We sold every week over hundreds pieces. Please send us a request to start business. Bye.